Welcome. It is a quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to clear WhatsApp cache on Android. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, close the app. Go ahead and find the app icon. Tap and hold. And then just go ahead and tap on the information icon. Okay, or app info. Tap on it. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, scroll down a bit and find storage. Okay, tap on storage. And after that, as you can see here we have the cache. Okay, and here's the size. All you got to do is just tap on clear cache. Okay, so just go ahead and tap on it and it will turn down to 0. Once that's done, you are good to go. Now, if you can't see the app icon right here, all right, when you go ahead and tap and hold, don't worry. You can just go ahead over to settings, find apps right here, and then just use the search bar. Okay, type down WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp, and here's the same set of pages. You gotta find storage, clear cache. Once done, you're good to go. That is how you clear WhatsApp cache on Android. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.